Good afternoon, dear listeners. Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Welcome to the conference today. My name is Doris Ngozi Morah from the Faculty of Communication and Media Studies. As we know, Communication and Media Studies is a new trend, and because it is a new trend, we equally have emerging trends in communication research. So for this afternoon, we try to examine at least three of the trends in communication research. One of them is the mixed method approach. But before we move on to the mixed method approach, let us look at what is research method. Research methodology has to do with how do we carry out research? How do we provide answers to research problems? Which method are we going to use? The method you are using for a particular research on gender will be different from the method you are going to use for maybe if you are studying newspaper, if you are studying magazine audience, as well as broadcast content. At times, if you are studying newspaper content, we try to use maybe focus group. But whichever method you are using as a researcher, it has to do with the problem of the research. That determines it. So one trend now is the merge of the traditional, maybe you have survey method, you use survey method and content analysis. You use content analysis with online survey. You use online focus group with case study. But whichever one you are combining, it has to do with a combination of both qualitative and quantitative method. But for you to use the mixed method research, you must consider the research problem. Having an insight about the research problem determines the particular method you are going to use. Another trend is the social media analytics. The social media collects data on a daily basis from so many people around the globe. And researchers can actually go to each social media site and make use of the data that are there to find out, for instance, how many times do people visit a particular newspaper, which kind of story do they like, when do they go there, do they normally come in the morning, and all this can be used to answer research questions. Now another one is the big data analytics. We have the search engines online, and today we are talking about artificial intelligence. How many people are using artificial intelligence? What and how do they use it? Is it for health, for education, for communication? All these are part of the problem. Thank you.